Are you looking for the best portable keyboard for laptop? If your answer is yes, then this video is really very useful for you. There are lots of products available to choose portable keyboards for laptop with different prices, benefits and characteristics. I did hours of extensive research and read tons of reviews to compile a list of perfect products for you. I hope my research will help you to buy the right portable keyboard for laptop. To check the updated price and other details of those products, check the links from the description box. Let's jump into the video without any further delay. Number 1. Logitech K380. Boasting an impressive 4.7-star overall rating on Amazon after more than 9,000 reviews, this portable keyboard from Logitech is powered by two AAA batteries that provide up to 2 years of functionality with regular use. An on-off button and auto-sleep function conserve power, and a battery life indicator lets you know when the batteries are running low, although many reviewers noted that the batteries outlasted their expectations. The keyboard is compatible with Apple iOS, Microsoft Windows, and Android operating systems, and it can connect to 3 separate devices for easy multitasking via a panel of switches. The keyboard comes in 3 colors, and has a slightly tilted design with curved keys for comfortable ergonomic typing. Super lightweight keyboard. Thin. Small. Great for travel, and even though I'm not very tech savvy, I had zero issues getting it to connect to my laptop. Number 2. Arctic HB030B. About the size of an iPad mini, this portable keyboard from Arctic is just 0.24 inch thick, about half of any other option on this list, making it an ultra-thin and non-bulky choice. The low-profile keys have a soft touch to minimize noise when typing, and the backlighting can be adjusted to 2 brightness levels and 7 colors to suit your preferences and make it easy to type in the dark. Though it's not multi-device compatible and there's no touchpad, the keyboard supports Apple iOS, Microsoft Windows, and Android operating systems. A rechargeable lithium-ion battery powers the keyboard for up to 6 months at a time, when used for approximately 2 hours a day with no backlight, and an on-off switch helps to conserve energy between uses. Keep in mind that this option is about an inch shorter than a standard keyboard, so it may take a bit of time to adjust to the tighter dimensions when typing. I love this keyboard. I use it for my Microsoft Surface Pro 7, and it connected right to it and functions as advertised. The keys feel nice, it's super thin, and it's extremely light. Number 3. Foldable Bluetooth keyboard. If you don't want to bring a mouse with you, but still want to click and scroll easily as you type, this keyboard from Samsung has a touchpad built right in. The rechargeable design offers up to 48 hours of working time, and 560 hours on standby, giving you the flexibility of going long stretches of time between charges. The 3-piece folding design is extremely portable, measuring approximately 6 by 4 inches, about the size of a large smartphone, when closed, with some users having noted that it can fit in a jacket or backpack pocket. It comes with an adjustable stand for holding a tablet or smartphone while you type. I really love this folding keyboard. I'm using it with my iPad mini Gen 5, and it works great. It pairs quickly and easily every time. The trackpad works quite well, and I did not have to go into my settings to activate it. It just works. I carry it with me wherever I go and use it to do all my typing on my iPad. Number 4. Iqlaver BK06 Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. For long typing sessions when hand and wrist fatigue seem inevitable, Iqlaver's multi-device keyboard is a great help. It has a slightly hinged design that positions fingers and wrists at an ergonomic angle that, according to the brand, can help reduce wrist, arm, and shoulder fatigue. The keyboard folds in half for easy storage or transport, and it features a leather casing that gives it a premium look, while providing a non-slip base for the keyboard when it's open and in use. There's no touchpad, but it's compatible with Apple iOS, Microsoft Windows, and Android operating systems, and it has a rechargeable battery that supplies up to 40 hours of power on a single charge, or 30 days on standby. For even more convenience, it comes with a stand for your tablet or phone. This is the best thing I've bought as a writer. It's ergonomic, angled, has all the keys you need, long battery life, saves when it's folded shut, turns on when it's opened, links to Bluetooth easily, and is quiet and easy to type. Incredibly light for portability to coffee shops or parks or even at home. I use it with my laptop, so the screen doesn't have to be so close, and my wrists can be comfortably angled, but I can see it being great for tablets too. Number 5. Logitech K780. While several options on the list come with a separate holder for a tablet or phone, this keyboard from Logitech features a holder built right in, so you don't have to carry an extra accessory with you in your bag. It can connect with up to 3 devices at once using a hot button panel, and it supports Apple iOS, Microsoft Windows, and Android operating systems. Despite being compact enough to fit in a laptop bag or backpack, the keyboard features a full number pad on the right side, making it a good choice for anyone that does quantitative work and prefers the ease of a calculator layout versus a number strip along the top. It's tilted up at a slight angle for more comfortable typing, but there's no touchpad for mousing. Keep in mind that at 14.9 inches, it's the biggest option on the list, and also the heaviest, at just under 2 pounds. This is a great keyboard. The keys have a good tactile feel, and you can put an iPad or Surface Pro on the stand next to your phone and effortlessly switch between them. Incredibly convenient. So that's all about the video. To get helpful videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for quick notifications. If you need more information about those products, check the links from the description below. Please comment below if you have any query about this video. Thanks for watching.